Hey, what's up, everybody? So today I'm going to talk about how to make money selling shoes online. And just a disclaimer, I sell mostly shoes on Amazon FBA, so you have to be approved in the brands in order to sell them. So back when I was selling a lot of shoes, I was getting them from like an outlet mall. I was going to a couple outlet malls, and then I was going to Marshalls, Ross, and TJ Maxx. Not really a lot of TJ Maxx because they don't have their shoes in boxes. They have all their shoes out of box, so you can't sell those on Amazon. You can't sell them on eBay that way. So with the outlet mall, I was going to Nike, Adidas, Reebok, Under Armour, all those stores at the same outlet mall, and buying those to sell them on Amazon. And all you would have to do is scan the barcode, and you want to make sure that you scan it for each size, because based on the size, you could be making money or you could be losing money. It just depends. Like what the demand is for each size. So while you could make money, and when I first started selling shoes, I did this. I bought like a size 13 and a size 14 in the same shoe, because I was thinking there's not going to be as much supply of these, so I can get a higher price, and that's what happened. I ended up paying like $40 a piece for them, and while they did take like a few months to sell, I got around probably $70 to $80 for them after fees. So I made some pretty good money on those, but I just kind of got lucky, because having those sizes they could never sell. Another thing you want to think about when you're doing shoes on Amazon is your minimum profit. So you can find tons of shoes. A lot of people talk about ROI, return on investment, that they would have it around 40 to 50%. But if you're buying a shoe for $20, that ROI, the minimum ROI of 40% is going to be $8 profit per shoe, or per pair of shoes. So $8 isn't really worth your time to package all those and ship them off to Amazon, because you're only going to fit, let's say if you had a huge box, you're only going to fit like 10 pairs in it, maybe, probably less than that, maybe 8 pairs in a box, and then it might cost you like $8 to ship it off. So you're only making like $50 on the whole thing. So you're spending like roughly, if you had 8 pairs, you just spent $160 on the items. You're making $8 a piece, so that's only $64, and then you're paying for the box, which is like $1, and then you're paying to ship it off, which is like $8. So take that away from the 64, and you're getting like $55 profit off of 8 pairs of shoes. So after you spend $160, you're only making $55, and that's just not worth your time. I would say you want to have a minimum profit of at least 10 to 15. A lot of people have $20 minimum profit on pairs of shoes, but I would try to stay between 10 and 15. So that's one thing. Really 50% off of everything on the friends and family. So even if the shoe's already marked down, it's 50% off of that. But there's a minimum of like 5 or 10 pairs per person. So some people have multiple people coming in with them in order to get a whole bunch of shoes. Some people are driving to multiple Nike stores to get some shoes. There's a few strategies you can use to get more than 10 pairs. But that's just for Nike. What I found is I sell a lot more. I get more money from like from Adidas. I don't get more money, but there's like more profit there, and the prices don't tank with Adidas stuff as much as they do with Nike. And also, there's a few times that almost every time I've gone to Adidas, there's been like an additional 50% off sale price, like all the time, just on certain weekends. And I always seem to go when that's going on. So I'm not sure if it's like year round or what's going on. But I sell stuff really well from Adidas. I sell a lot of clothing from Adidas. Pretty much my best hauls have been clothing from Adidas. Like I bought some golf sweaters, golf vests. And it was right after summer, so they were probably like, so I bought them for $20, and I think they were normally like 55, 60. So they were around 70% off. And I made some pretty good money off of those. That's really it. Just look at different stores. Don't just rely on Nike. Don't just rely on what one person says, because there's a lot of strategies that you can go on when buying shoes to sell online. So just remember that, and let me know if you've ever been to an outlet store to buy some shoes to sell online and how it went for you. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see everybody next time.